Epictetus faced overwhelming odds throughout his life. Born into slavery in Hierapolis 2 millennia ago, he was not even granted a proper name. Epictetus simply meant acquired one. His existence was marred by torture, theft of his hard-earned earnings, and physical abuse akin to a labor-worn horse that was ridden into the ground and then put down later. Despite these tribulations, Epictetus emerged triumphant. Rather than perceiving his life as a succession of horrors, he viewed it as a realm of boundless opportunities. A podium and prison are each a place, he said, one high and the other low, but in either place your freedom of choice can be maintained if you wish. Epictetus's choice was to concentrate on the elements within his control, his opinions, values, desires, and sense of self, while ignoring the rest. Looking around at the mighty men and women in Nero's court where he worked, Epictetus began to notice that although he was a slave, he was freer than many of them. They were shackled to power, pleasure, and attention, and consumed by trivial concerns. Epictetus later decided to seek knowledge under the guidance of the Stoic philosopher, Musonius Rufus. He then gained his freedom and became a teacher himself, instructing Rome's finest, including the future Emperor Hadrian. His teachings even reached Marcus Aurelius, ushering an individual of so little power to influence the most powerful people in the world for the better. What we learned from Epictetus is not just sheer endurance and resilience, but the ability to find and make a good life anywhere at all times, regardless of the circumstances. Circumstances don't make the man, he said, they only reveal him to himself. The Stoics said that we are all actors in a play. An actor's duty is to master their role and learn to let go of the rest. That's how we must see life. We don't control where we were born or who our parents are or how other people treat us. We only control what we do with the material we are given. Through determination and skill, we can learn how to shape our own destiny and control it by turning in a splendid performance in our current role, whatever it happens to be. I really hope these lessons resonate with you. If you're still with me, I'd love it if you could share this video with anyone who might find it valuable. Also, don't forget to leave a comment about the lesson you got from the video. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Lastly, I'd love to wish you a truly wonderful day.